Hey guys, what's up? We're at the Jakem Australia Jakem Farm full drive day. So we've got all these cars here, I'll show you. We've got a series of Prados, Hiluxes, Holdens, got a mint Land Rover over there. There's a 79 and other cars. And pretty much, yeah, we're just gonna drive all the tracks, gonna film some cars go off-road, and we're gonna see who can favour on top in the challenges and win prizes. So yeah, hopefully it goes well and huge turnout. So thanks for everyone who came, and yeah, hope you enjoy.
12:40, we should be able to complete the loop in that time, but we'll be moving bits.
I'm not going to make that turn. Good out here. Yeah, that wasn't as bad before.
Nah, it was alright.
Sorry guys, just briefly on the channel, for the convoy, watching your channel for the usher to stand, just go.
Yeah, nice. Woo! The old Prado, eh? Give me a little rundown how that was.
I was very scared.
Oh, that was crazy. That was awesome. Okay guys, so you just saw us drive up this bit here, so this is how far we're into the property right now. And essentially I had to leave my car behind, so right now we're in the blue Prado, yeah, the Prados. So we're still in the Prado 90, just a different colour. But yeah, so now we are driving up what looks to be some sort of steep hill over here, and convoy's got a bit bigger, we're gathering people as we go through. But yeah, I just thought I'd keep you updated. Okay guys, we're near Patrol Hole. I'm halfway on the hill. There's a patrol coming down now and everyone else is down there on the ground. I'm now a cameraman because my car doesn't drive, so that's fun. But yeah, I'll film some cars driving down for you. There's two lines here. This is the tough line and there's an easier line there. He's gone for the tough line. Too easy. This patrols animals off-road. Okay guys, we're here at Patrol Hole. There's a sign and everything. The only patrol we got in the convoy is going to go down it. Let's see how he goes.
Not even taking your socks off.
I can try reverse. Oh yeah?
Alright guys, so he's going to winch him out now. He got stuck, he didn't make it, and pretty much he's got the dampener on. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it pulls him out. And it's not exactly a straight pull either because he's sort of on the hill a bit there, so we can't get directly behind him. So hopefully we can just pull him out, no worries. Alright, tip number 2. Is there any water in there?
Not yet. There was. On my side there's a little bit.
It's almost above your, okay, it's above you, almost above your back wheels. That's proper deep. They're deep there. Alright, they're going to get winched out now, so it should be too quick, and he's going to give it a third go. Alright, here we go. Second winch is coming out now, and then he's going to get the third go, so we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. Attempt number 3. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! Yeah!
That was sick. Really fucking covered.
Yeah! Worth it! There's Miles 100 series, Jakem Australia. Look at this beast. Petrol gas, but I guess the job done. Same as my dad's. It's a wicked car. Okay guys, so the big patrol went through the patrol hole, which is great. Now we're heading back for lunch. You can see the beautiful scenery here. My car, you might just be able to see, there it is, it's way down there. So we're just heading back now, just us two, and we're gonna pick that up and then drive that back up and have lunch for everyone, and then after that will be the challenges. Okay guys, we revived the car, but it is pretty much dying, which is awesome. We've got 2 pyros here, getting some photos that look really good together. And up here in the hill over here, there's a car sideways, and we don't know much about how or why, but because we're over here doing our own sort of thing. But I'll zoom in on there for you. There's literally a 4-wheel drive. You can just see it. It's that one in the middle there is sideways on the hill. So they're going to be recovering that with winches and stuff. Everyone else is still down there. But we are about to head to lunch. Everyone is starving, and it's about to rain. So it's all happening. But hopefully our car doesn't have too much of an issue, because we did just replace the CVs the other day, thinking it would fix it, but it hasn't. So maybe transfer case, we'll see what it is later on. Okay guys, right now 290 series right behind each other, same engine. Now one's got the rear bar, one doesn't. I love the look of this. This is the Aussie 4X4 rear bar, and it comes like you have options to do 2 swing away arms, and it's all heavy duty steel. That's, I'm assuming, pattern coated like glossy black, and it looks absolutely amazing, and I've always wanted to get one. And also because my flares are black, the black would just match as well. And yeah, you can just imagine what it would be like on there. And also because my spares are 35-inch tyre, it's quite heavy for the door, so that'd be another good reason to have one, just to carry the weight off as well. And also going to Fraser and stuff, you get your dual Jerry's on there, which right now I've got nothing. So that would be an awesome future mod to think about. Okay guys, so we stopped and had lunch. We had sausages and drinks. It was really lovely and nice. Got to chat and talk to everyone. And now we're doing a racing series, and pretty much it's a course. You start over here and the top's up there and you sort of finish down there, and it's a point system. It's really creative, it's really cool, and there's prizes for different categories of the race. Now we're going to show you some footage of that as they go through. It's been very destructive. We've already had 3 cars do beads and tyres, and we've only had some solid actual cars go through flawlessly. So yeah, we'll show you some videos of that.
Hold there. Hold there. Thank you. Punch that. Too narrow. Oh.
The Maverick. Well, there you go, he didn't go through there. Okay guys, so all the tracks are done, and then they just gave away a bunch of prizes, which is really cool. They gave all the different prizes away. Thanks for everyone who came out, it was a really awesome day, and thanks for Deacon for running it. Oh, there they are right there on the windscreen there. My transmission's playing up, so I wasn't able to drive that end track at all, which is a bit of a bummer. But that's right, we'll get that sorted. But yeah, I'm super grateful for everyone that came out, and they're going to do some more events in the future, so we'll see you guys there at those ones. But besides that, thanks guys, we'll catch you guys next time on Built Prado.